Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out gonna do another pheasant hunt. This is state land. Look out. Yep, just getting the dogs out. Got out here a little late. I mean, it's like 8:05, but you can, in Iowa, I don't know if I've ever said this, you can start hunting at 8 o'clock in the morning and then you're done at 4:30. It doesn't have anything to do with like sunrise or sunset like a lot of states, but that's whatever. I don't really care. So I'm out here at a piece of state land. Hopefully I can find 3 roosters in it. The wind's gonna be backwards for most of the hunt. It's gonna be at my back. Well, not most, I should say. Just like the first little bit. Then the whole back stretch, the wind will be about perfect, and that's where I think the birds are gonna be. So we're just gonna have to see how this goes. I mean, I've been having a lot of really good hunts this year. I've been having a great year so far. Yeah, so hopefully we can continue that. Yeah, so stay tuned, and yeah, just stay tuned. Someone shot some birds here. It looks like they shot a big old bird. Got a long spur on him. I hate it when people do that though. They clean their birds and they just leave their guts in the parking lot. Yeah, or the drive entrance, whatever you want to call it. Not a big fan of that. Fetch him up, Mav. Can you handle him? No, dead bird. He's mine. Those birds were up there. But we got a big fat Canada goose. Bang. That's awesome right there. That's my first time ever shooting one of those while I was hunting, actually. Pheasant hunting. Get off there. See if I can put him in my vest. Otherwise this is going to be interesting. Alright, I just fit a gosh dang goose in my vest. It's only about way heavier than what I was carrying. That's okay. I got a goose. And the trigger's bird. There you go. Mav, hold up. Oh, damn it, Mav. Mav, hold up. Attaboy, Trigger. Too bad it wasn't rooster. Hen. Attaboy, Mav. Attaboy. Oh, big old rooster. Son of a gun. Bam. I don't know if that's the one he was pointing, but that one just died. Dead bird up here. Maybe he's not dead. Oh, Trigger's got him. Get him. Get him. Good boy. Good boy. He's dead. Good boy. Oh, no, he's not. It's a good boy. Give. Give. Good. Bang. Rooster number 1 for the day. That is an old bird. Look at his freaking tail feathers. I mean, those are just so long. Trigger was locked up rock solid down there, and I don't think this was the bird, to be honest. I really don't. This one got up off the top of the hill, and I dropped him on his head. I don't think it's the bird that Trigger's pointing, so I'm going to go back down there. Yeah, bird number 1. Bang. Alrighty, just finished up spot number 1. Shot a rooster and a gooster. Both 1 shot, 1 kill. That's what I'm talking about right there. I'm gonna get these dogs a drink and see you at the next spot. Alright, just made it to spot number 2. They just got the corn picked on the back side, I think, according to my dad. I actually don't know. I haven't really been out this direction this year, so hopefully we can get our last 2 birds. This spot's been good to me in the past. I mean, I haven't hunted it this year. I hunted it once last year. Shot terrible. There was a ton of birds in it. A lot of roosters. I think I got 1. I had 2 birds I shot. Like, I folded them out in this field, and they're both, like, look like they're headshot. They're flopping around. And I walk out there to get them. They get up and fly away, and I missed them. I'm like, how does that even happen? But yeah, that's like the only time I've ever seen that happen. It happened twice to me in one day in the same spot. So, yeah, I think I'm going to head down the east side of this and walk the back of it into the wind. And hopefully there's some birds there. Stay tuned. Alrighty, here we go. Guns loaded up. Better get the dog's beepers going here. Knew it was going to be rooster, and there's a big buck. Good boy, Trigger. Fetch him up. Give. Good. Good boy. Olden. God, it's 2 old birds today. There's a nice buck in there too. That's my second nice buck I've seen. Another old bird. Ooh. Big old spurs on him right there. Yeah, let's get the feathers out of there. Some big old spurs on that sucker. Heck yeah. Cackler. And now he's dead. We had him running for a long time. Trigger pointed him twice. That time Trigger just pointed and then he got up. And actually the buck started running first. I was like, are you serious? Is that what's going here? But it was a big old rooster. Mav's got him right there. And attaboy, Mav. Attaboy. That's awesome, bud. I mean, Trigger found it, but Mav came up and pointed him too. And a couple in there. Mav, here! No bird! Trigger just locked up. Holy shit, I hit that. That was an absolute snipe. Dead bird. Trigger here. Alright, well, we're probably not going to find this bird because he was so far out there, there's no way I shot him dead. That bird was like, that was like a 60, 70 yard shot. I'll count how many paces it was when I'm running up to him from where I shot him. I probably shouldn't have shot just for this reason right here, but yeah, I'm going to watch the footage back and try to find right where he landed and try to figure out where I think he went and hopefully recover this bird. Well, it's so far out there I can't see it on the camera. I'm trying to watch it back and find where he landed, so I'm kind of just going to loop around this thing, around in this area, try to get the dogs the wind. Maybe we'll run into him and find him, so stay tuned and hopefully we find him. I mean, like, look at this. The dogs, it's pretty warm out today, I will say that, but the dogs are just tired as crap, so yeah. And Trigger, he's 10. Mav, he'll still run around good right now, just he doesn't understand what dead bird means. Yeah, so hopefully we find this bird. And attaboy, Mav. Scare up a rooster next time. Alright, just finished up that spot. I think I'm actually done for the day. I gotta go home and do some stuff. Gotta get it done before it gets too cold. It's supposed to get cold tomorrow, which today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. It's supposed to get like 3 inches of snow. I don't think it's supposed to be too windy. I think it's supposed to be like 10 to 20, but today's like a sustained like 25 or something, so it's pretty windy, so yeah. Well, this spot I finished up here, I got one bird. Should have had two. I lost the one, unfortunately. I mean, I should have been closer to my dog when he got it up. I knew he was on a bird. I just didn't know where he was. I thought he was off to my left. I pushed the locate button on the remote. I hear him clear way up ahead of me, just really faintly, so Yeah, so I took off running kind of up there towards it, stopped to listen again. Rooster got up, cackling. Bang, shot him, dropped him on his head. He just wasn't dead. He stood up and runned off. I mean, yeah, I looked for him for about 20 minutes. No luck. I had a good mark on him. I went straight to where he went down. I think it was a good mark. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, I went right to where he went down. Nothing. Never found him. But that's just part of the game. Sometimes you lose birds. Yeah, so today I ended up with 2 roosters. Didn't quite get my limit, and a big old sky donkey. So I'm satisfied with how today went. I got to be done for the day. I got to go and do some stuff at home. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, please. Thank you. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.